Hey everyone, and welcome again to another video. Today, another unboxing video for you guys for my hiking and camping equipment and accessories. If you don't know yet, I started hiking in 2022, and since then I have had two pair of shoes and a pair of sandals. All are from Decathlon. My first pair was actually the exact size of my feet, and later on I realized I should have gotten a bigger size, a 1 inch bigger size of shoes, because I always end up going home with sore feet, with blisters, and sadly with that nails. So that's when I decided to buy another, which is a pair of sandals. I still use them till now, especially pag may mga river crossing. And I think a few months after that, I bought again another pair of shoes, which is a 1 inch bigger. And unfortunately, when I hiked Mount Pulag in December, it was drizzling, it got soaked, it was full of mud. And then I haven't washed it, I think, for a week after that hike, and ayaw mawala ng amoy putik or something. So I decided to buy another, and yeah, let's unbox this. This is Merrell. I had three options when I was at the store, and still I end up with getting this one. Let's unbox this one. This is how it looks. It's so pretty. It's light, and I love the color. I love it. These are the Wildwood Med from Merrell in black. I love it. I think this is the perfect shoe for me. I decided to get a mid. They call it mid kasi lampas ankles, so it protects your ankles from tapilok. I bought this for 5,195 pesos, and I was really happy. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.